Good morning, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to Maths online class. So, in this class, today we are going to learn something different, something new and something exciting. So, the topic of today's class is patterns. So, before we start our today's class, as you can see, there are many shapes you can see. So before we start, before we learn what is pattern, we have to do a quick recap of all the shapes which we have learned so far. Then only you come to understand about the exercise of patterns. So without wasting time, let's start today's class. So my little tiny toes, this is the first shape. So which shape is this? This is circle shape. And the objects which look like circle shapes are sun, moon, bangle, chapati, wheel and so on. The next shape is square. Yes, this is square shape and the objects which look like square shapes are window, a slice of a bread, handkerchief, window AC and so on. The next shape is triangle. Yes, this is triangle and the objects which look like triangle shapes are birthday cap, sandwich, tent house, samosa, bread pakoda and so on. And the last shape is rectangle. Yes, this is rectangle. Rectangle shape is having two positions. So first we will do the recap of the objects which look like rectangle shape. So the objects which are teacher's table, dining table, pencil box, lunch box, they all are looked like rectangle shape. But because rectangle shape is having two positions and the objects which related to it, they are also different. If I just rotate it like this, then this is again the rectangle shape, but this is on the standing position. So which all objects look like such rectangle? Door, which is there in our house, in our school, class, washroom. Okay, then almirah where mama keep the clothes, something necessary things, jewelry and all. Refrigerator, that is also look like such rectangle. If I rotate it like this, again this is again a rectangle, but this is in the sleeping mode. So the objects which look like such rectangle are your pencil box, your study table, your center table, the dining table, teacher's board, teacher's table and so on. So if I rotate it like this, then also it is rectangle. If I rotate it like this, again it is rectangle. So it is standing rectangle and this is sleeping rectangle. So I hope you have understand about the shapes. Now as this exercise is related to shape, so one by one I am going to solve parts and I will explain you. So as I told you, if we will do the combination of different shape, we will make a different pattern. So you can see such patterns in your house on the bed sheet, curtain, on the suit of mama, sari, on the wall, on the floor and some other places too. So you can see there are some shapes which are repeating themselves once. They are repeating themselves once. But in such, you can see there are some shapes which are repeating themselves twice. So repeating the shape once, twice, thrice, they make patterns. They make design. So let's start with the first part. So you can see which shape is this? This is square. No, this is not square. Circle. So you all have to be very careful. So which shape is this? Circle. Now, yes, this is square. This is triangle. Now we can see circle is repeating. So this whole pattern is repeating now. Circle, square, triangle. Once more. Circle, square, triangle. Circle, dash, triangle. So now you have to tell me which shape is missing. Circle, square, triangle. Circle. Yes. Square will come. And how we have to make square? First you have to put 4 dots like this. Right, my little tiny toes? Now with the help of lines, we are going to make square shape. So 2 standing line, 2 sleeping line. Now you can see circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. Now you have to color the square, and while coloring, make sure color should not go outside the boundary. So you can see this is the first part which we have complete, and you can see this beautiful pattern: circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. Now come to the next part. So which shape is this? Yes, this is sleeping rectangle. So sleeping rectangle, circle. Sleeping rectangle, circle. Now tell me which shape will come. You have to tell me. Once more we will do it, then you have to tell me. Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Yes, we are going to draw rectangle. And how we will draw? We have to put 4 dots. And children, I can see there are many students who are confused between square and rectangle. So the square is an object whose all 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. But in the rectangle, 2 sides are long, but 2 sides are short. 2 sides are long, 2 sides are square. So you can see square is having all the 4 sides equal, but in rectangle 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short. As we put 4 dots, we are going to make 2 standing lines, 2 sleeping lines like this. So this is sleeping rectangle. Now it's time to color it. So we all have to color it. Right? Now come to the next part. So in this part you can see shapes are repeating themselves twice, 2 times. 2 square, you can see, 2 circle, 2 squares, 2 circle, but triangle is only one. So which shape we have to draw here? Yes, we are going to draw triangle, then only the pattern will complete. 2 square, 2 triangle, 2 circle. So how we have to draw a triangle? We have to put 1 dot here and 2 dots here. Now with the help of slanting line, we are going to draw it. 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. Now we have to color it. Now the pattern is complete. 2 square, 2 triangles, 2 circle. Now come to the next part. So this is triangle. So you can see this is triangle. If I rotate it, same, it is triangle. So this is downward triangle and this is upward triangle. Again, downward triangle, upward triangle. So in this part, they all are triangle, but this is upward triangle, this is downward, upward, downward, upward. Now you have to tell me which triangle we have to draw here. Let's revise it. Upward, downward, upward, downward, upward. Now downward will come. So first we have to put 2 dots here and 1 single dot here. With the help of lines, we have to make it 2 slanting line, 1 sleeping line. Now you all have to color it. Now come to the last part. So, which rectangle is this? Yes, this is sleeping. We will leave it. Sleeping, standing, sleeping. Once more. Sleeping, again sleeping. One shape is missing here. Standing, sleeping. So, which rectangle we have to draw here? Standing. So, how we have to make? 2 dots here and 2 dots here. We are going to make 2 standing line and 2 sleeping line, and we will color it like this. Don't forget to color, and color should not go outside. So, sleeping rectangle, standing rectangle. Sleeping rectangle, standing rectangle. Sleeping rectangle. So, you can see now we have done with the exercise. I hope you have understand what is patterns. Patterns are just combination of different shape in which they repeat themselves once somewhere they rotate themselves, and somewhere they repeat themselves twice. So my little tiny toes, this is the exercise for today which you have to complete at home. When you come back to the school, we will do the revision of the same exercise pattern. So this is all for the day. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye my little tiny toes.